A drone, also known as an unmanned aerial vehicle or UAV, is an aircraft that operates without a human pilot on board. Drones can be controlled remotely by a human operator or autonomously by onboard computers. Here's an explanation of what drones are and how they work. What is a drone? Drones are versatile devices used in various fields, including military, for surveillance, reconnaissance, and targeted attacks. Commercial, in agriculture, delivery services, photography, and inspections. Recreational, as hobbyist gadgets for aerial photography and racing. Emergency services, in search and rescue operations, firefighting, and disaster response. Working principle of drones. Frame and structure. Drones have a lightweight yet durable frame, typically made of materials like plastic, carbon fiber, or metal. They usually feature a multi-rotor design, such as quadcopters or hexacopters, with each rotor providing lift and stability. Propulsion system drones are equipped with electric motors connected to propellers. When the motors spin the propellers, they generate lift by pushing air downward, allowing the drone to ascend, descend, and maneuver. Most drones are powered by rechargeable lithium polymer batteries, providing the necessary energy to the motors and electronics. Control system. The flight controller is essentially the brain of the drone. It interprets input from the remote control or onboard sensors and adjusts the motor's speed to stabilize and navigate the drone. Operators use a remote controller or a smartphone app to send commands to the drone. Signals are usually transmitted via radio frequency or Wi-Fi. Now, let's dive into the fascinating world of sensors and navigation. The Inertial Measurement Unit, or IMU, consists of accelerometers and gyroscopes. These components provide data on the drone's orientation, acceleration, and velocity. Pretty cool, right? Then we have the GPS module. This piece of technology provides accurate positioning data, allowing for autonomous flight and waypoint navigation. It's like having a built-in map and guide. Lastly, there's the altitude sensor. It measures the drone's altitude above the ground, which is crucial for maintaining stable flight. Without it, things could get a bit wobbly up there. So, these sensors work together to ensure that the drone flies smoothly and accurately, making the whole experience almost magical. Communication system. The radio transmitter and receiver allow communication between the drone and the remote controller, enabling real-time control and data transmission. Telemetry sends real-time data like battery status, GPS coordinates, and altitude back to the operator. Additional components. Many drones are equipped with cameras for aerial photography and video recording. The gimbal stabilizes the camera to ensure smooth and steady footage. Obstacle avoidance sensors use technologies like ultrasonic, infrared, or LiDAR to detect and avoid obstacles in the drone's flight path. How drones work. Takeoff. The motors spin the propellers to generate lift, causing the drone to ascend. Flight control. The flight controller continuously adjusts the motor speeds based on sensor input to maintain stability and follow the operator's commands. Navigation using GPS data and onboard sensors, drones can fly autonomously along pre-programmed routes or to specific waypoints. Stabilization. The IMU provides real-time data on orientation and movement, allowing the flight controller to make rapid adjustments and keep the drone stable. Landing. The operator can command the drone to descend and land safely, often assisted by sensors to ensure a smooth landing. Drones represent a significant advancement in technology, offering unprecedented capabilities in various fields due to their versatility, precision, and ease of use. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe button if you found this video informative.